This is the first accommodation of our road trip, which also happened to be the one I like most.
I know you've waited for so long, but so have I. We'll find you places to call home.
欢迎来到世外桃源。
Stay with an untamed mind. I found so many ways to say goodbye.
We reached Melbourne in the afternoon after our early morning flight. Our first itinerary was to visit the 12 Apostles, which is around a 3-hour drive from the airport. But we did not want to wear ourselves out after the tiring flight. So the plan is to stop somewhere midpoint around here and rest for the day. A countryside lodging, literally in the middle of the woods, which is what makes it so special for folks like us who grew up in the city. The 2 nights here, we trade off convenience for peaceful isolation, leaving behind traffic noises and concrete buildings, in exchange for the melody of singing birds and green forests. There are a total of 4 self-contained cottages in this property. We are staying in a cottage named Villa. Here's a quick virtual tour from the property website. What I love most is the connection with nature even within the living space, all thanks to the vast number of huge windows as you can see. We stay in this 3-bedroom cottage and it comes with a dining area, a kitchen, and a living area with a functional fireplace which we actually utilize. Though it is near summertime, but at night this countryside area can get as cold as 10 degrees Celsius or below. And all of the cottages adequately spaced apart, so privacy is never an issue for us during our stay. There are also a dedicated area for campfire on every cottages. And these bright color birds in the pictures, I can assure you that they are not props. They actually visited us one morning, and these birds are beautiful and very sociable as well. See? 来，啊，你看 ，OK 的。
他们厉害，他们一咬就碎了哦。
对啊，
就吃里面的。
Buddy. Just a short stroll from our cottage, there's a small ranch where there are sheep and alpacas.
I watched you slowly disappear with all your dreams and all your fears. Will I ever see you again? I don't know if we will still be the same. A second time, another goodbye. Feel so sad.
the sand.
อยาก放我们拍。
Oh, avocado in the
用我的电话。
I watched you slowly disappear with all your dreams and
The property owner, Dee and Stewart, a helpful and friendly couple. Stewart happened to see us at the ranch, and without any hesitation, he abandoned his work to keep us entertained.
another goodbye. I feel so sad and I know why. Will you come back right by my side? Second time, another painful goodbye.
He made feeding the animals look so easy. But the animals wouldn't even come close to us, as they were not familiar with us.
Shake some more, then he know that you're coming for him.
Ask me what I do. I'm just waiting for you.
Eventually, my daughter managed to gain some trust from them.
I'm just waiting for you. Ask me what I do. I'm just waiting for you. Ask me what I do. I'm just waiting for
Tip the
you.
whole bowl out.
Waiting for you. Second time, another.
Now, these are truly free range. They have all this space here.
She also got a chance to fed the chicken and pick freshly laid eggs for our own consumption. I think she'll be trapped. She just trapped herself inside there.
They'll find it eventually. I have to have a little bit of a look, shall I? Whew. Let's have a look, see what you got under here. Are you sitting on an egg? You are! There's one little egg. Do you want to feel it? It's nice and warm.
Is it nice and warm? Is it warm?
And here. Are you sitting on an egg too? Let's see if you're sitting on an egg. You're not sitting on anything, you silly.
I will try the next one.
So many to choose from. Hey! I knew there'd be another one somewhere. Is it warm?
Is it warm? Is the egg warm?
It's a little bit cold.
It's a little bit
Okay. Hope for the two more.
Oh, how many are there?
They're a bit mucky too, aren't they? Wash those when we go inside. This one's got a special little feather like a little hat. And what about this one?
The last one.
Only the space. We'll have to check these ones. They could be very old and smelly.
Oh, okay.
So we put them in water. If they sink, they're okay. If they float, then they're no good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
We only managed to reach the cottage in early evening on the first day, so we decided to settle our dinner at Baron Hotel, which is just a 10-minute drive from the main road.
Up it.
But seriously, nothing compared to preparing our own dinner. Spending time together around the fireplace, and have a few beers to go together. If you like to wake up to the singing melody of the forest birds, to prepare breakfast surrounded by nature and yet in the comfort of a self-contained cottage. And be lost in this peaceful isolation. I will highly recommend Country White Cottage, which is merely just an hour and a half drive away from Melbourne.